All right, guys, so we are going to do our daily math, and we're on Wednesday. Remember, we're a little behind on our daily math. Let's look here. This one is, we have kind of just a different mix of concepts. So this is write the fraction of fruit that is apples in words. So we're looking for the apples. So first off, let's see how many fruits there are. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 because there are 8 types of fruit. Okay. So we know that it's going to be blank 8. And then I need to know how many are apples. So I have 1, 2. So we have 2 8s. 2 8s, we would say 2 8s of the fruits are apples. Okay. What is 4,768 rounded to the nearest thousand? So my number is 4,768. So in order to round this to the nearest thousands, I have to look at the number in the hundreds place. So let's look at my number line to help us. So we are counting by thousands, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. But here I have in the middle is halfway. So this would be 3,500. This will be 4,500, 4,500. So this number is going to be somewhere in between here. Okay. So, am I going to be rounding back to 4,000 or am I going to be rounding up to 5,000? Well, it's going to be closer to 5,000. So, my answer would be 5,000. Which solid figure does the net represent? So, I know we haven't done shapes yet, but just by looking at this, I know that I have these are rectangles. So this right here is a rectangle. And this right here is a triangle. So I know, guys, that this shape has to do with triangles. So I can mark out B and I can mark out D. So I have triangular pyramid and triangular prism. So let's talk about a pyramid. So a pyramid is something that when you fold this up, it's going to have a point at the very top. It's going to have one point and then it's going to go down. So this is kind of a pyramid. Okay. This shape, a triangular prism, if you look at this shape, it doesn't come to a point. It has this edge right here. So this has a vertices at the top and this has an edge. So that is a prism. Okay. So a pyramid is where when you were to put all these together, it's going to come to one big vertex, one point. Okay. This is a prism because when you look at the very top of it, it doesn't come to a point. Find the sum of 245 and 112. Remove 89 from the total. So first I'm going to find the sum. So that means I'm going to add. Sum means to add. You need to remember that because it's not just going to tell you to add. It may tell you what is the sum. So I'm going to take 245 plus 124. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now, it says to remove. If we're removing, are we adding or subtracting? We are subtracting. So 89. So 9 minus 9 is 0. 6 minus 8. Can I take away 8 from 6? No, so I got to borrow. So I have 3 hundredths. I need to take one of these away, which leaves me with 2. I need to take that 100 and break it up into 10, so that gives me 16 tens. So 8 minus 16, I can do that, which is 8. And then 2 minus nothing is 2. So I have 280. All right, guys.